guys, Merry Christmas. So this is a table setting that I've been holding from you guys. It is my Winter Wonderland Christmas theme. So I'm going to walk you through everything that I did to get this look. So the very first thing we have are the tinsel garlands, and then I have my little fake snow at the bottom wrapped around this beam. I have my two little skinny tinsel trees. I have it in silver. Again, with my snow, you have to have the snow. And then I have my other one right here. I love these little trees. Let's see, we'll go with the table setting. So I went with a silver glittery sequin tablecloth. I love it. It is so pretty. And for my table runner, I actually just took some like bling ribbon and used this as my table runner. I didn't want to get a sequin table runner because I think it would clash. And then underneath my sequin bling ribbon, my bling ribbon is my fake snow as my table runner. So I think that adds to my whole Winter Wonderland theme. And then as far as like the centerpieces, I got a lot going on, you guys. So I'll just go down the line. So I have my Dollar Tree jars wrapped in that same bling. I have my tall candelabra with my roses, and if you guys can see, I have little diamonds in there. And then I have my little jars with my floating candles, and this tall jar right here I have wrapped in that same bling. I have some tree branches, and then I strung some bling on those. I love this look, you guys. I think it just pulls together the whole Winter Wonderland with these tree branches. And funny story is, these tree branches are from my wedding. Now, I've been married 11 years, so these tree branches are almost 11 years old. So I kept them, and they stayed in pretty good shape. You know, some of them are beat up, but can't really tell. So here is my, let's go right here. Another jar centerpiece, and I just added those same roses in that jar. Move along, here is this very tall centerpiece that I just put together. It is lots of candle holders together, and on top I have a Dollar Tree candle, and then the snow coming off of that. This was so much fun to make, and of course I had to add more bling dangling from this tall centerpiece, you guys. This thing is so tall. What else? So then I just have the same centerpieces going down the line. On my table, I have my Dollar Tree silver chargers and my bling wrap around my napkins. And these are actually paper napkins. I was so used to buying, satin napkins, but my family members didn't really like using them. They said they were too fancy. So I just went with the paper napkins and just kind of blinged them up a bit, and they look just as nice. All right, let's move along. Oh, you guys, look at my backdrop. This is so glam. So I got my sequin backdrop, and again, along with my tall little skinny tree. So we're gonna do some family Christmas photos. I'll show you guys pictures, as we did get matching pajamas, and there's probably about 35 of us. Yes, we got all matching pajamas. So it should be interesting to take photos together. And then if you guys can tell, this is my blue uplighting. Let me see if you can tell from my camera. So I got my blue lighting going pretty much all the way around my room. Got my tinsel draped around my door. And then let's move along here. I have my wreath that I just hung up. Of course, it's a sequence of everything with the lights turned off. Very pretty. It looks kind of clubbish. And then lastly, I have my backdrop with my twinkle lights and my silver sequin curtains, and of course our white tree covered in silver bulbs. Alright guys, I forgot to tell you that I have my chairs, my fold-up chairs, covered with these white chair covers, and then I just use these silver satin satin chair wraps. I forget the name of them. You guys know what I mean. But anyway, I tied them in a bow and have them on all the chairs, so that's what gives this the look. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that notification bell for more videos like this. And happy holidays to you. Take care.